Who's looking for some tropical bay views here in Fiji overlooking the capital city of Suva? We have it for you right here. Baron Bruno Professionals FIJI Real Estate. We are in Lami today. That is just outside the capital city of Suva in a community that they're just finishing up called Uduya Point. Brand new construction. They are still finishing things up, and I got special approval to come and have a look at these amazing units. They have 1, 2, and 3 bedroom units available for sale. Never been lived in. You would be the first. Go to professionalsfiji.com and we'll get you all the pricing and details that you want, and you could be sitting right here or maybe down there in the pool. We look forward to hearing from you soon. Manaka.